Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Cebu Pacific voucher. First, let's understand the types of vouchers you might have, such as travel funds or gift vouchers. Next, locate your unique voucher code, which is typically a series of letters and numbers. Also, check the expiration date carefully to ensure it is still valid. Finally, confirm that your desired flight booking aligns with any specific terms and conditions of your voucher. Once you have selected your flights and reached the payment section, look for the specific field labeled Voucher or Gift Certificate. This is where you will input your unique code. Carefully type or paste the entire voucher code into the designated box. After entering, click the Apply button to see the corresponding discount immediately deducted from your total fare. This step ensures your voucher is successfully recognized. It's crucial to remember that most Cebu Pacific vouchers are non-transferable, meaning only the named recipient can use them. They are also typically for one-time use. Any unused balance after a booking is usually forfeited. Always verify what your voucher covers, whether it's just the base fare or if it extends to add-ons like baggage or seat selection. Also, confirm the voucher's currency matches your booking currency to avoid issues. To get the most out of your Cebu Pacific voucher, try to book your flights well in advance. This often allows you to secure better deals and more flight options. If your voucher has a significant value, consider using it for a booking that fully utilizes its amount, as unused portions are usually lost. Also, look for opportunities to combine your voucher with any current Cebu Pacific promotions for even greater savings. Always review the full terms before confirming your booking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.